Rubio Monocoat Oil Plus 2C is a revolutionary plant-based hard wax oil. As the name implies, in one coat you'll get color and protection for your wood. It is used for flooring, furniture, cabinetry, millwork, and just about any wood project imaginable. Oil Plus 2C works by forming a molecular bond with the topmost fibers of the wood. This results in a durable, water-resistant finish, all while keeping the natural look and feel of the wood. 2C stands for two component. Part A is the oil, and Part B is an accelerant and hardener. Oil Plus 2C has 0 VOCs, 0 solvents, 0 water, and does not produce lap lines. It's easy to apply and maintain, and can be applied to all wood types. Oil Plus 2C is available in over 50 colors, which can all be mixed to create endless color possibilities.